Hey guys, before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know about the Diamond DA50 demo tour coming to a city near you. We're so excited about it. Check out the link in the description and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.
Hey guys, my name is Sam Linton and I'm the sales director here at LifeStyle Aviation. We're here in Austria. We got a wonderful opportunity to fly the brand new DA50 and we're super excited to bring you guys along for the ride. Tell me what your typical process is, or I can wait on you a little longer. No worries.
You can start. Process here in Austria. Strobe must be on for start.
Strobe must be on for start. Gotcha.
That's like our.
All right. Engine master's on. Glow plug. Cowl flaps open or closed for this?
It just doesn't matter for startup.
All right. Clear. Huh. Much more pronounced.
Is it your first flight with the 50?
Yes.
Your very first flight.
Very first flight.
So you are DA50 Virgin.
Yeah, I guess so. DA50 Virgin. That's quite appropriate. I love it.
Wiener Neustadt, Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey, servus.
Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey, Wiener Neustadt, servus.
Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey, pilot in command, Foxtrot, Papa +2, request departure information for a VFR local flight.
Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey, runway news is 27, the QNH is 1026.
Runway news 27, QNH 1026, Oscar Tango Whiskey. Alright, runway 27, so we are going to taxi via taxiway India all the way back and then...
This is India? No.
That's right,
That's
to
it.
the left.
Gotcha.
Sharon, can you hear us well?
Loud and clear, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Oh man, it's so good to have a woman on board. I love it. I absolutely love it. There's not enough of us.
So excited to fly this. I was just thinking, are you the only other female who's flown the 50, or do you have other demos?
Let me think. I had numerous demos.
That's
I had
wonderful.
one lady in France.
Amazing.
Other than that, you might be one of the first three then.
Yeah.
Yes.
First for North America. Hey,
That's
I'll
definitely.
take a badge however I can, right?
Yes.
There you go.
Yes.
Do you want a whole test?
Yeah. Fucking
Does it need to be ground idle the whole test or no?
Yeah. It doesn't need. Yeah. I think it might need to be. All right.
A little different run-up procedure.
It feels a bit different. Don't forget it's a Continental engine, so it's not one of ours.
Yeah.
Like, not
No
one of our
worries.
in-house engines, and that. It sounds also a bit. You will feel on takeoff a bit more vibration as well. Now for takeoff briefing, your rotation speed, but you have it there at 66 knots. We have, in case of any severe malfunction or engine failure, I take the controls.
Love it.
Good. Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey is ready for departure. Runway 27 with backtrack, please.
Oscar Victor Tango Whiskey, backtrack and takeoff at the on discretion, runway 27, wind 320 degrees, 10 knots and gusts up to 20 knots.
Backtrack and takeoff on own discretion. Runway 27, copy the wind, Oscar Tango Whiskey.
You guys ready to go?
Yep.
There we go.
So it's not going to be as beautifully stable as she would be, but
No
should
worries.
be still impressive nonetheless.
Quite. There's the first indication. Just like a 40, you can bring her all the way back. Wow.
That's stable. Feel
That's
that.
so stable.
Holy cow.
And we're
Fabio, which side are you joining from?
Which would you prefer for a video?
Let's do it out the right, yeah.
Okay, out to right please, Sharon is on the right.
Yep, inside, approaching.